beautiful day to go skiing.
Guys, I decided to go snowboarding.
Good morning. It's a beautiful day to go skiing. Well, I'm honestly not sure how much skiing I'm gonna be doing today because it's also a beautiful day to go back to Cloud 9. It's one of my best friends in Aspen's birthday today. We're gonna go to Cloud 9 and party on the deck for her birthday. But first, we have a little brunch for her at our other friend's house. So I'm gonna go eat breakfast to start celebrating the day, and then we'll go skiing on Highlands. It's gonna be such a fun day. Bringing a bottle of champagne for the birthday girl. Also, we're wearing all denim to ski today, so this is a little sneak peek of what I'm going to wear on the mountain. Yeah, I'm gonna wear jeans and a jean jacket, but I need to go get it. But like, skiing in jeans is fun, as long as you're not a Jerry. Actually, you know what? Be a Jerry. Who cares? As long as you're having fun. I don't care what you wear. He's an acceptable choice. An acceptable choice.
Guys, I decided to go snowboarding. We love a good snowboard sesh. Yeah, Kylie was doing it, so I had to. I mean, Kylie always does it.
I actually can only do that.
But I'm going with Kylie, so therefore...
Who's teaching who?
Well, you're the snowboard instructor, so you better be teaching me something. Abby's snowboarding. There's so much snow.
I think all the girls are snowboarding.
Renee is snowboarding. Well, Rachel skis.
Except for Rachel and Oliver.
Guys, everybody looks so good in their Canadian tuxedos. Down.
Sick.
I love this part. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah, happy birthday.
Cooper and I are planning a really big trip together. I'm so excited. We are doing it for off season because in Aspen that's like mud season. What's the other name for it? It's a freaking ghost town.
I don't know, it's depressing.
Anyways, basically majority of the business is closed. There's no one here and there's not that many things to do just because it's hard to hike, or well, you can't ski and it's hard to hike in mud. So anyways, we're going on a trip to Southeast Asia. We're gonna plan it this morning, start planning it. We leave in literally a month and we have no plan so far, so.
That's the way you do it.
I have it, new Google Doc. Yay, I'm so excited!
Where's that?
Where you're saying that moon infested. So just letting you know, we're gonna have to be hopping around. This is great!
And then I'll break this down and we'll get...
Okay, I gotta go. Went for a little bike ride this morning because I had to run an errand, going to the dentist. I'm actually so excited because I love getting my teeth cleaned. And I do have to go to the airport today, but I'm hoping that in between I have time to go skiing. I don't know, I have a lot of work to do. Also, it's way colder than I thought it was. I'm
biked here in leggings and I'm freezing. Got my pearly whites, no cavities either. Now I'm gonna take one lap skiing, just got some work done here, and then head to the airport to go to work for 8 hours, 8.5, probably 10. But at least we're gonna go ski first. Okay, I'm low-key regretting coming skiing because I thought my work was gonna be quicker and I was gonna be able to be out here earlier. I now have to be at work in 30 minutes. I didn't really think this one through. Also, there's really cheap food on the mountain for locals if you have like this local sticker thing, and I was gonna run up here and get lunch really quick. Literally cheaper food than anywhere ever, but there's no way I'm gonna make it up there in time and to be able to like get a slice of pizza. And then I was literally just gonna ski down with my slice of pizza, and now I'm like, oh wait, I don't even think I'm gonna have time to get to work even without it. I made poor choices today. Well, just right now. Everything else I actually felt good about today. I felt like I was having a pretty productive day. But, well, at least I'm getting outside and getting to go skiing. Guys, I made it to work on time and I'm on poop duty today. We call it Blue Angel, but I'm responsible for emptying the shit out of all the toilets. All the lavs need to be like flushed and put clean juice in there. It's not a bad job. I actually like doing it sometimes because it's just you alone. You're not like working with a team, which is kind of nice and peaceful sometimes. But you basically like hook up this tube to the plane and then pull a lever and then everything flushes out. But if that tube is not hooked up properly, you're getting shit on. Never had that happen to me. Although one girl had it happen to her like 2 weeks ago. So hopefully today I have a good day. You guys ever heard of Miracle March? Because that's what's happening in Aspen right now. It's currently dumping. We have our very own powder day. I'm not gonna lie though, I was really enjoying the spring weather and now I'm just cold as I'm drinking my iced coffee. I can't do the hot. Anywho, I probably will still go skiing because we're doing a little staycation at the base of Aspen tonight. And we get to do first tracks in the morning, and I'll probably just go skiing, so then I'll be already there. We're staying at the Little Nell, guys. I'm so excited. I think this might be my first 5-star hotel I've ever stayed in. So, also really off topic, I just really need to chat with you guys today. I just watched Natalie Zasik's Bahama vlog, the hour-long Bahama vlog. Well, 2 things. First of all, I'm so obsessed with, sorry, I'm watching White Lotus. I'm so obsessed with their friend group. Like, I want to live their life, even though I don't actually want to live on the beach. Like, I love the mountains and the snow. But their friend group is just so cute. I'm just so obsessed with them. And also, I love when I'm working from home, like whether I'm editing, doing emails, like whatever it is, I love turning on hour-long YouTube vlogs to play in the background. Hers was an hour long, so I just watched it when I was doing my work the other day. And would you guys want that for me? I don't know if I like have enough to yap about for an hour. What are your thoughts on hour-long vlogs? Maybe if I go on a trip and it's like over the course of a really long time. I also feel like the hour-long vlogs that I like to watch are slower, and typically mine are more like choppy, fast-paced, just because like I like it, like I get more entertained. But when I'm putting on an hour-long vlog, it's because I'm like cleaning my apartment or like working or something, not like just sat watching. I don't know, just some random thoughts I've been having. I also just shout out to them. I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. stop and tell you about my makeup bag. My best friend from high school made it. Her name is Erin, and she just started selling them too. Her brand is Scooter Marie Stitches on Instagram, but she made this because I'm gonna be a bridesmaid in her wedding. And look what she put on the inside. You look beautiful, Grace. I saw that like the first time I went to go put all my makeup in it, and it was just so sweet. Like, what? She's so thoughtful. Anywho, they are the best and they hold so much. So if you want one and want to support a small business, here's her at right here. Did I overpack for a one-night staycation? Yes, I did. Do I care? No, I don't. Okay, we are packed up, ready to go, but unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to vlog the staycation just because I think it's important to have some special moments not on camera. I honestly have a hard time with this because I feel like the best moments for social media are also the ones that I just want to like have to myself or have between me and Cooper or me and my family because they're special and beautiful and like I just want to cherish that, but they're also the ones that would like perform best online. So that being said, I kind of just want to have this little overnight with Cooper and not film it, even though I mean I'm probably gonna post pictures from the thing, but that means I'm ending the vlog here. So I hope you guys are having a great week. We're halfway through the week. It's hump day. I love you so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.
As soon as the camera hits me, I'm like,
that was first